just beginning of the big move coming up. Okay guys, so welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, a trading coach who will be doing a live trading session and live analysis, guys and girls. If you are ready for big move coming up, then don't miss any piece of this live session. We will be trading live. We will be discussing about how to develop a trading psychology along with live discussion. It's a big fun session where you can learn and grow as a trader, and also we'll be discussing about how to trade the market, how to develop the trading psychology, how to use the fundamental, and let's start the big day coming up later today. If you look at the news calendar, you can see that there is a huge news coming later today, which is, look at the calendar, 1 a.m. coming up in my zone, which is 1 a.m. could be different in a CV consumer confidence, which is a very high impact news, will start to move the market, followed by CPI coming on AUD tomorrow, and then coming up on tomorrow also 9 a.m. after tomorrow, FOMC member will speak, and then followed by dollar and CAD GDP on CAD, and also final GDP on USD unemployment claims. So that could be a good move coming in the market. So I would like to appreciate I would appreciate your support to the channel if you give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So let's see how the market is moving at the moment. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe to the channel. So press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I'm posting every day. Hope that you guys can see me. Okay, so I will begin with the most volatile one. First of all, when I see that everyone is here, if you say yes, then I can start analyzing for today. Awesome, thank you. I see that Yusuf is here. Rude morning, thank you very much. Ace, welcome. Kelly, so blessed to hear you in my life. Thank you very much. Morning, good morning. Tried reaching your Telegram but can't find your name. So if you want to join the Telegram, which one you are looking for? VIP Telegram channel. So if you want to join the VIP Telegram channel, then you have to go via website. So if you are our member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, then you can access the VIP Telegram channel. Or if you want to join the free Telegram channel, you can find the link below this video in the description area. Let me know if you have any question. Good morning, Wizard. I have been trying to join the mentorship group but can't find the join link. Okay, so if you wanted to join the VIP mentorship program, let me show you. It should be below this video in the description. You guys can't see that. Let me share with you the mentorship link. Okay, so this is the link I'm sharing with you in the live chat, www.forextradingwizard.com. See if you can click and visit the website and then click join now button. Still, if you find any issue, let me know. So you can even visit the website and then click join now button, where you can join. You can click and then you can access everything. Greeting, thank you. Hello coach, how are you? I'm good, thank you very much. Hello, hello. Memo, I want to become a member. Memo, yes, if you want to become a member, you can just visit the website and then let me show you what you should do. So once you are on the website, I'll share with you. So if you are on the website and then click join now, okay, so once you click join now, it will take you to the joining option, where you can click join now button and then choose the lifetime access. So once you go below the website, scroll down to the website, you should see this option. Let me bring that up here. So where you can see click here to join. Okay, first click join now button and then you will be taken to this page where you can click here to join, and then you can join to learn and grow as a trader with us together. That's the best decision I would say that you will ever make. This will help you to consistently grow as a trader. So let's begin today's session. As you can see, with the progression of the week, the market is basically is currently having a huge movement in the market, and I'm expecting for the price to give me potential entry. We'll be doing a full analysis here. So first of all, let's quickly look at gold chart, and then gold a bit in a sideways movement, as you can see, and then we can see that with the sideways movement on gold also, the trend is going on GJ. So we have seen that yesterday there was a massive bounce on Gbpusd. So Gbpusd currently coming to an important level, important support level here. So any drop below this level, we will be looking for potential entry. Let me see here. A previous trade that running, I'll just keep it on. Okay, so here is, you look at GJ, you can see the market is breaking down from this liquidity zone. So there is a couple of liquidity zone that you can look at for Gbpusd to hit and then to reverse back to the upside. Okay, so here is what we can see on Gbpusd. The big drop to this liquidity zone. Let's see if there is any entry here. So the price has dropped back to the daily support level on GJ. It's a big bounce, and okay, if Gbpsd is coming a bit more downside, especially below this level, there is a high liquidity zone, and that's where we will be waiting for entry. Currently, the way the price has dropped here, which is basically a complete breakdown against the trend, and there is already, this is a liquidity zone, which is the 191.2726 level. There's a doji here, and from this level that we will be waiting for the price to give us an entry opportunity on GJ. We're just looking to see how the market is evolving on Gbpsd. Would like to find any trade coming. Definitely will be jumping on the trade. Yellow, thank you very much. Blessing, welcome. Fluorescence, morning coach, Tuesday, a day full of abundance in bullish count. My eyes are open to see. Fluorescence, yes, welcome. Yeah, absolutely. You know, this is where the thing is that when you look at the opportunity in the market, it's gonna appear to you. That's how everything. So you need to first, that invite that opportunity to come to you, right? By being patient, by knowing the real trading system, right? We will be discussing in depth. But before I go to that, guys and girls, we see there is a sudden bounce on gold, and I would appreciate your support to the channel. If you give a thumbs up, will be helpful. I see that the likes and view are very disproportional, so if you could move that like to almost nearly to the view, will be helpful, and I would appreciate that to your support to the channel. Now here is what we can see. This is the gold here, and along with with the gold and Gbpsd, both of them currently trending. So I would like to do a full analysis. First of all, beginning with gold, I saw that there is a little bit of opportunity on GJ, waiting for a bit more breakdown. Where is Gbpsd? I can't see that pair anymore. Where's that? Very interesting. I lost GJ, guys. Where's the Gbpsd? Come on. Did I delete it from which? Okay, got it. Because it was not colored or shortlisted. Alright, so on Gbpsd, if you look at here is the real thing that I would like to see, that GJ has grabbed that liquidity from the daily low, and you can see today the market open, and once the market open is straight, bounce back to the upside on GJ, and from that zone, if we look at, we saw that there was a, once this is the opening of this today's opening, from here the price has gone up, and now the price has come back down again to retest this daily level. And with that retest of this daily level, if we see that one more candle drop, and form that long wick candle, we can look for some kind of bullish opportunity to this around 15-20 pip. That's what I'm expecting on GJ. Are you guys ready for a big move? Let me know if you're ready, and let me know your thought about the market today. As you know that today is absolutely very important day, because first news coming later today, which is in my zone in a couple of hours, 6-7 hours later. We'll be covering that as well, guys. So make sure that you stick to the channel by subscribing to the channel and pressing that bell button, so that you're not missing out any of the content that I'm posting every single day. And also, okay, we see that Gbpusd is trying to break in that direction. So what I'm expecting to give an entry for a bullish move, because it's a bull market, wanting to see that the market is breaking that. Okay, let me see where, if there's anything we can put a pending order here. How many pip? 8, 9. Okay, I will be putting a buy limit on GJ here. Okay, so at 26 level. And stop loss will be below this low. So will be around, so it will be a buy limit, not buy market. Around 9 to 10 pip stop loss. We'll be targeting here 2 to 1. Okay, so my entry will be pending order buy limit 191.263. I will be explaining later the strategies. So if you are passionate about trading, then I would recommend you to stick till the end to know everything. Okay, looks like that is forming a doji. So buy limit at 191.263. Stop at 191.165. TP at 191.462. That's the intraday. Okay, so I placed a pending order on GJ. Come on, don't move from here straight away. So you placed a buy limit, and I will be explaining also the strategy behind and everything. Make sure that you do the proper risk management. If you don't know how to do the risk management, also let me know. So we put a buy limit at 191.26 on Gbpusd. Stop at 191.165 and TP at 191.462. Okay, so it's now trying to bounce from that level. It's too low of the price to retest. Guys, are you with me? Giving a thumbs up will be helpful, really. Thanks for joining the live session. We can see that gold has a very very strong bounce to the upside. It's in a very narrow zone, but it's trying to break out. We will be coming back to the gold, but before that, let's see what we can do with Gbpusd. So buy limit here. Wanna see the trigger? Is it if it is not triggering, then we have to look at again from another angle. Come on, might not trigger. It's got a bounce. Well, you guys have seen our previous day's trade on Gbpusd. It was a massive one, isn't it? So it's a very tight, but that's how we have to look at the market from a very different angle. So here is it's got a bounce, and what's happening with the gold? Okay, GJ has got massive bounce. I think that the buy limit may not trigger, but let's keep it still here on to see would see that the market might be moving up from this level. It's ready for a move, and we look at the 30 minutes here. Market has formed massive liquidity grab here. So this is around 9 pip stop loss if we go long. It's made a big move. Too late. So GJ, what do you see that from here after forming that reversal pattern, This market didn't trigger. We have to wait for another setup. It's got expired. Let's look at gold, and I'll come back to Gbpusd again to see what it is doing. And in the meantime, I would appreciate your support. If you like this stream, will be helpful, and let me know which one you are looking at. Now let me look at the daily chart on gold, and while I'm looking at daily chart on gold, we can see that gold currently in an uptrend. Long-term direction of the trend on gold is up. As you know that it's a long-term bull market. So let's do a full multi-time frame analysis on gold. As you can see that looking at the higher time frame, looking at bigger picture is always helpful, because when you look at the bigger picture, you can see overall direction in the market, because market is not just one point. Okay, it's not that just using a moving average or anything that will tell you the trend is up or down. You need to combine a lot of factors such as the moving averages and also looking at the market structure to see the overall direction in the market, along with the candlestick pattern, also very important. Because if you look at the candles, let's say healthy bullish green candles, very stronger candles will give you an idea of the market flow, which way the market basically is heading. Now if we look at this gold market from the monthly, we can see that, guys, what do you see if you look at this market? Even you don't have to ask me even a question. If you understand this concept, see this in this box. If I ask you a question, who is in control in this market? All right, so once you will know that who is in control in this market, you know that actually in this market what you should be doing. What do I mean by this? For example, if you ask yourself who is in control in this market, that's the difference between trading and business. So in business, you need to buy low, sell high, sell low, buy high. But in trading, you don't have to do that. You only need to know who is in control in the market. It's more of sports rather than the business. More of skill rather than the investment. So that is why the beauty of being a trader is that you don't need a single dollar to be a trader. You just need to have the right mindset, a clear intention, and then dedication, perseverance, and right mindset. Okay, so that's what you need. Control of greed and emotion, overcoming the fear, understanding what is causing to lose money rather than thinking of losing money. Okay, so when you look at this market, you can see that all those green candles are bullish, all those red candles are bearish. So when you look at a market like that, who is in control in that market? Without any question, the bulls are in control in this market. So take control over the channel, guys. Giving a thumbs up. I see that likes is still 1/3, less than 1/3. So I would appreciate if everyone give a smash the like button. I'm pausing the channel for a second just so everyone have time to do that. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, I would recommend you to do that. Thank you for the support. Now if you look at this here, all those green candles signaling potential bullish, right? So it's a bull market long term. From the monthly, this is the current monthly candle. We have seen so far a drop in the beginning of the month. Almost at the end of the month, the price is again going back up to fill that long wick at the top. That means that at the end of the month, we might see the price again going up to fill that zone. Now if you look at the weekly chart, there is a weekly shooting star. All right, so we saw with the market open, it didn't come for a pullback, instead slowly building up the pressure to the upside to fill that long wick at the top. So from the monthly, weekly, we see that the bias is to the upside. Now from the daily, this is the daily chart. There's a daily candle. There is also a long wick at the top. Today the market open and it's now just filling that wick, and the imbalance in this market in this area, expecting for the price to go ahead and fill that imbalance to create a new higher high. So looking at the intraday perspective, where what we can see for our, there's a long week doji, and once the market open here, it's now going back to the upside, creating series of higher low. Now on gold market, you can see there is a huge imbalance in that zone, and that imbalance, highly likely the market will try to fill that imbalance, so the bias is to the upside. Let me see the 15-minute chart. Here is, we can see that there is an inverted head and shoulder, breakout from that inverted head and shoulder, and this is the previous resistance level, okay, so which is turning support here, and this is the previous resistance turning support, and expecting for gold to come back down here, okay. So this is the resistance turning support. It's already made a very significant movement to the upside, waiting for the price to drop for a deeper pullback. If you look at the 5 minutes, you can see it's a clean bullish move, complete breakout with the London breakout, and now we will be waiting to see for the price to come down for a pullback, which you could see eventually, and that's where we can look for an entry, as otherwise it will leave a huge fair value gap. So we'll be waiting for the London breakout to be retested, this previous resistance turning support, and that's where we can look for an entry. We see a clean breakout here, waiting for a retest, and then we can look for that entry on gold to the upside as soon as we will find that suitable entry opportunity. Good morning. Is that double top? Where you can see the double top? Justin, let me know. Scream yes, yeah, thank you. Kali, is GU bullish for the day? It's bouncing from the week and bouncing from the day to the up. Please help me clarify. So please guys buy or sell. What do you mean by please guys buy or sell? Okay, so let me see. GU bullish for the day. So because we see that bullish strength on gold, so we might see that GU also might be moving in the same direction. Okay, looking at Gbpusd with a weakless candle on the weekly, from the daily also with the market open, we can see that there is a bounce from this level. From the intraday time frame, Gbpusd so far showing bullish pattern, and from the lower 30 minutes there is a bullish pin bar, a long pin bar or a doji that is also bullish. So GBP, along with the Gbpusd, also you see the GBPJPY trend is to the upside. This is the 15 minutes chart. There was a drop and then immediate rejection, so it's a liquidity grab. This is the point that I always discuss, guys, that liquidity. Okay, so what is liquidity? Liquidity is the fuel of the market. Once you understand the liquidity, you understand that how the market is moving, what making the market moves, and how to trade based on the smart money traders. Okay, so smart money trade based on liquidity. So if you wanna like trade like a smart money, you need to understand when the market is gathering the liquidity. So to understand it, this is the channel where you learn everything. Okay, guys, you can see there is a bounce, and I'm putting the highest possible way to explain that liquidity. Okay, you see that GBPJPY also bouncing from that level. So if you look at this market on gold with the, you can see this is a breakout, and here is also, you can see also massive liquidity grab here on gold. And because of that massive liquidity grab, we can see that the market had a huge breakout, a bounce, consolidation, drop, breakout. So basically the price is, if you look at, it's moving up but expecting for deeper pullback. So this is the level that would like to see the market is retesting this level, and it's a very important support level. See the way gold market in this lower time frame, the structure has formed, is a sign of potentially going up to fill that imbalance. Now in gold market, what I see that there is a big imbalance in the market. So if you look at, and this is where, if I draw a bit clear picture, so this is the resistance here, and this whole area is an imbalance in the market. It's a clean fair value gap, and as the market is now breaking out to the upside, chances that the price will go back up to fill that imbalance, as you know, the tomorrow news coming, and also today news coming. So all of them might reflect in gold as well as in all the pairs that we see currently. Let's keep those levels on to see. You can see I would like to see that gold has dropped back to this level to retest. Previous 30 minutes candle. This is where you can see the market broken that low and then bounce back up. Okay, here is we'll be waiting for that pullback for potential entry, and once we see that entry opportunity, we'll be looking for that entry on gold and along with on GBP, JPY as well. Okay, so if we look at GBP, JPY, here is the market already made that move. It didn't take us the trade. I would like to close that pending order, and we'll be waiting for a fresh setup. So it might trigger now, but I wouldn't take that at the moment. We'll be waiting for a fresh setup. So we will be waiting for the price to create a new setup. So the setup is expired. And if I look at here now, we are close to this pending order because it's moved without taking us, so it might now try to revisit that level. So I would like to draw this liquidity zone again here on Gbpjpy, and from that level that we will be waiting for entry opportunity here. I want to see that GJ, if it is breaking that low from the daily, if it breaks down to the daily support level, we might find another entry. At the moment, as this market already has got a rejection from the top, we'll see that where it is dropping. This is the previous support level on Gbpjpy, and that support is absolutely important on GJ. Wanna see that the market has dropped below that level and grab that liquidity, and then we can look for entry if we see that it has done enough manipulation. Here manipulation is key, because with that manipulation basically the market will grab that liquidity that it needs for potential move. Also, GU trying to break the 1 hour resistance. Need your help for clarity. So GU trying to break the 1 hour resistance. We'll be looking at that. GU15, there is imbalance above the price. Do you think it will go fill the gap? Yeah, we'll be looking at that. So double top on GJ 15 minutes. So you are seeing that GU breaking 1 hour resistance. So from the 1 hour chart on Gbpusd, if you look at this is a move on Gbpusd. Now with this move, what we can see, the price, this is a long wick candle here on Gbpusd, and with that long wick candle, this is the intraday time frame where there is a doji 4 hour candle. Okay, so the price action showing so far is bullish on Gbpusd, and with that bullish momentum, okay, here is, this is a very important liquidity zone. Yeah, the price action is highly bullish, and we could see that this market is bouncing to the upside to create a new higher high. So yeah, the price action here on the lower time frame is bullish. So there is a liquidity gap here from 20 EMA. Along with so Gbpusd, if we look at the daily chart on Gbpusd, what we can see that there is a daily bullish candle with a wickless candle here, and there is a long wick at the top. And so far with the market open from this level. The market has got a bounce to the upside, and with this bounce from this support level, expecting GBPUSD to bounce back up to create a new higher high. So looking at the lower time frame on GBPUSD, if we look at, so what we can see here, this is a drop here to this support level on GBPUSD, and with that support, expecting for the price to drop below, grab that liquidity, and then to bounce back to the upside to create a new higher high. So here is what we can see. This is a previous, you see there is a liquidity zone, quite a few doji here. And with the doji, expecting for the price to break down, to grab liquidity, and then to bounce back to the upside to create a new higher high. So GBPUSD also bullish to me. Now we will be waiting for a deeper pullback to the daily support level. So coach, good morning to you from Cameroon. Thank you. Good morning. And guys, make sure that you always remain patient as a trader. And as you know that there is always trade in the market, but those who are, who fully patient can find the best trade always possible in the market, because patience pays off, isn't it? So make sure that you always stay patient and wait for the best setup come to you. There will be a time when the market will show its hand, and that's where the real trading is, when the market show its hand. So wait for the market show its hand, okay, to give you the best trade. Now if I look at again GBPJPY, there is a rejection from the top, and with that rejection coming, okay, so this is the intraday on GJ. So there's a 4-hour candle closing, which is the daily on the daily support level. Sometimes the price action is very confusing and might not give you always a clear direction. Looking at gold here also, so GBPJPY is still I don't see a very clear direction. Once we find that, we will be definitely looking to enter. And in the meantime, guys, let me know which one you are looking at, and also I would appreciate your support if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Sagar Bijra, so gold analysis, yeah, thank you so much for looking GBPUSD. Yes, yeah, absolutely. I'm here always to look at any pairs you guys are looking at. It's just my opinion. Let me know if any pairs that you are looking at. particularly dollar yen also, it's currently a bit choppy, but I think the dollar yen, when dollar yen does this kind of, you see this is a one candle range. So when the market, especially guys, understanding a market structure is very important. This is where you'll know exactly when to trade and when not to, because it's not all about only opening a trade and then following it along. It's also understanding when to trade, when not. You see, sometime when I trade closed door, right? So I have many ways that I have a big number of students that I am teaching, mentoring. So it's a different subject, but because I'm a trader, it's my passion. It's like what I'd say, that I can leave everything, but I can't leave trading, right? Kind of attachment, but as a trader, so there are some time that let's say when you are having a dinner with a big number of guests, and also you sometimes will enjoy eating something you're alone with yourself, right? So when I trade closed door on myself alone, sometime that's where sometime I open multiple trades within a short term and then take all the profit within it. So this is where the when not to trade is also very important, and when to trade is also important. So there is a term called over trading, but there will be some time when you need to certainly over trade. It comes down when you are experienced. So what do I mean by this? When the market trends, okay guys, keep in mind that when the market trends only 30% of the time, 70% of the time the market just ranges in a sideway. And when the market ranges, you have to also be patient, okay? But when market break down and huge volume in the market, you will see that trend may be lasting for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour, or 4 hours. That is more than enough for you to make for the whole month, okay? How much you want to make. Because when the market trends and you know that this is a trend started, trade with the trend and hold those profit to take the big. That's where you sometimes need to over trade, because it's giving you need to take it. But when it's not giving, then be patient. You see this dollar yen market, you can see that it's not giving you at the moment. Okay, it's very narrow zone. But then why you need to look at the market? Because the bigger the consolidation, the stronger the breakout. You can note that down. The bigger the consolidation, the stronger the breakout. So when it will expand, started to break out, it's gonna be huge. So dollar yen, what I think that if you look at the daily chart, you can see there is a doji here. This market might come down for a deeper pullback. It might even form a long wick here and then dropping down for a deeper pullback. So dollar yen might break in that direction, grab that liquidity, and then bounce back to the upside. That could be the situation on dollar yen. And with that being said, on dollar yen, you can see that this is a triangle the market is forming. We'll be waiting for initial breakdown. I think that could be the situation on dollar yen. It might break down initially, and then we could see the trend in the direction, because what is going up is likely to go up. That's the law of trading dollar yen is a long-term bullish market, and we can expect it to remain bullish. This consolidation for me, it's a momentum gain for dollar yen. Let me see that on Gbpusd. Here is a breakdown, and there's a multiple liquidity grab again. Okay, still not ready for yet. Let me see that gold is trending. So this is a breakout on gold and waiting for the price to move. This is a doji here, a huge bounce from this level. Euro USD, yeah, we'll be looking at that. I was just looking at gold and Gbpujpy to see where is our next entry. We have a bullish Tuesday. 1 or 2 is definitely coming to us. Patience pays bills. Yes, patience is key always. Absolutely. Hello, good morning from Nigeria. Thank you very much. Good morning. What about BTC USD? Yeah, BTC USD will be looking at some point. Now here is what we can see on gold, and at the moment let's also on Gbpujpy, it's broken the daily low. Yeah, so it managed to break the low. I've closed the pending order, but let me see if we can find any suitable entry. If we need it, we can look for. So from the daily perspective, Gbpujpy, you can say after the previous daily bullish candle here, the market tested the high, and then the price has got a rejection to the downside on Gbpujpy, and with that rejection, expecting it to drop back to this daily support. It might drop even further depending on how the price is doing. Here is after the liquidity candle, the price has dropped to that support, and What's happening here? There is a huge rejection. So 4-hour candle close to either doji here on GJ, and that's a very unusual price movement at the moment on Gbpusd. Gold is completely the other way around. This GJ. Yeah, checking GJ, we see that there is a that's a breakdown to the daily support. I'm not on the pending order. Probably you guys know that. So okay, now complete breakdown. It's the 5 minutes. Come on, very fast. Broken the very important support level. Okay, so the next candle, this is the 5 minutes, and many peep here, 9. Okay, so now I will be opening buy on Gbpusd. So with a stop loss at around 16 pip stop loss, and we'll be targeting 221 in this market on GJ. So make sure guys you do the proper risk management from here. I'll keep my stop loss at 191.15. This is the market order. So stop loss at 191.14. Come on, boy, give me a trending order. Market order. So I am long on Gbpusd. So now here, TP at 64.8. Okay, so here my entry on GJ is 27. So So this is my entry on Gbpusd, so which is 3 to 1 reward to risk. We readjust the TP. Look, I will keep my TP. If the market goes up, then I will keep at 191.53. It will be 2 to 1. That's how we can keep the TP within 2 days range, because if we keep the TP above, that means that it needs to break the daily high to hit the TP, which is carrying a less probability. So I will move my TP at 191.53. And I'll also be updating in the group. So I do share all my trade in the group as well. Okay, so here is Gbpusd. I'm long, and I will be also giving you a shout out what I'm doing with the trade. Okay, I'm in profit. I'm in profit at the moment. We want to take some profit here, guys. Are you ready with me? So I will be also explaining the reason behind the trade. After yesterday GJ trade, we have opened another one. Are you guys enjoying this channel? If you are enjoying, I would appreciate your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Here is I'm expecting it to have some kind of rejection to the upside after this massive liquidity gap on GJ. So running profit. This is the 15 minutes now. This 15 minutes, there is a doji. That's not a nice looking doji. But let's see what the market is doing here. Very long wick doji. Come on, it's not a long wick, nice looking doji. So this is a still waiting for one more bounce, because there is an imbalance. That will be awesome for us to see. 15 minutes, there's a long wick doji here. So we see that running profit. Expecting it to bounce and then to give us some profit in this trade, and ready for a big one, guys. Okay, guys, so I hope that you're enjoying this channel, you're enjoying the trade that I'm opening. Make sure you stick to the channel for learning more and growing as a trader by giving a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are long on Gbpusd. I'm expecting it to revert back to the upside to give us some profit here on GJ. Here we see bounce. Cool. Holding it, guys. Holding it for a bit more profit. Let me know how are you going. So GJ going up. Yeah, we are buy. GJ and GU very similar. Yeah, absolutely. What is your entry profit? Yeah, go. Yeah, absolutely. You're running good profit at the moment. Running good profit. And also I do share all my trade in the VIP group, where you can access all the trade. If you are not on the VIP group right now, you can join. We have few spots left for this month. Before end of the month, I would recommend you to join right now so that you can access all the strategies that I am trading, and also being part of this Forex Trading Wizard Academy, being part of this trading community will give you a big edge of learning. And once you are our member with us, you can access all my trade with entry, stop loss, and take profit. And also you can learn and grow as a trader. You can learn the strategy that I am trading in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So let me know if you have any question further. Let me see here. Okay. All right, so running in good profit. All right, so we see that bounce. Okay, at the moment I'm going to close my profit. Okay, I'm going to close my profit because we might see a rejection now, or could go up. Good profit I have run. Closed profit. Okay, closed profit, which is my entry was here, which is nearly to the 1%, more than 1% in my account, because I took 0.2% risk, which is around 1%. It might now try to retest. So around 11 pip profit. In terms of pip is smaller, but in terms of percentage is good. So you had a winning. That's the best thing. And you know, that's how we can slowly build up our trading account to learn and grow as a trader. Let me know if you have any question so that I can explain more in depth on this. It's a quick one, isn't it? Did you like this trade, guys? Let me know using the live chat, and I would appreciate your support to the channel if you just give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It might just push high further, but I'm out with the running profit because it's a live trade, and I don't want you guys to run it even I'm not here. Sometime we do run, but this one is manageable, so I have taken that. And can you confirm what's your status? Point, depending on if you are not running good profit, I would recommend you to hold it. It's gonna push high again. Beautiful trade, Becky. Yeah, that's a beautiful trade, absolutely. So you could see further upside. Depending on if you have a smaller account, yeah, I would recommend you to hold a bit more time. Might range a little bit. So we see that gold had a huge bounce. It's a big bounce on gold, and yeah, that's a massive move on gold so far from this daily level. Okay, guys, so hope that you are enjoying the live session. I would appreciate your support. For gold, we can see that the market is trending, and I will be waiting for in the upcoming session how the price is doing. I think gold might come down for a deeper pullback and then keep pushing high, because it's a long-term bullish market, and gold is currently going up to fill that imbalance in that market. Profit and out. Chan, welcome. Sayed, looking for big one. Yes, we'll have big one. Okay, we are on the way. We are on the journey to have the best trade possible in the market. Always. So it's keep pushing high, and in the meantime, I'll, as you know that I'm frequently coming on live. Okay, so if you guys always stay tuned by subscribing to the channel. So there is another live coming up in just a matter of 2.5 an hour. I'll be coming on live again to trade together in this market. So until that, guys, it was an enjoyable session. I would be look forward to have some more trade. Any trade coming before the live and after the live, I'll definitely will be, and also during the live, I'll be posting on the channel so that you guys can access all of them. And until that, I'll see you again there trading live together. In the meantime, if you want to explore more the strategy that I'm trading to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, why I have opened this trade, what is the strategy behind, everything you can learn once you are our member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. We have few spots left to join. So to join the mentorship, you can visit the website. So the website link I'm giving in the live chat, you can visit the website and then click join now button. Then you'll be able to join, access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. With that being said, thank you very much. And I'll see you again trading live together just in